Hey everybody, it's Royal Ruby. Here I am in my Ruby van. This is my second home. And yes, you guys have probably figured it out by now. I don't want to sell her anymore. I decided against it. I'm allowed to change my mind. I'm 65 years young. I'm a mature woman. And I'm glad you guys could stop by today to get the update. It's been about 30 days since I've done a video. But anyway, salute, having a coffee chat. I also wanted to tell you a few ideas that I have for the van. Since I am keeping her and I'm going to be doing a lot of camping, I need to be comfortable in my second home when I travel. So first things first, you know I built this cabinet, which I'm very proud of. Now keep in mind, this is just a template of what I'm going to officially build. I'm going to build it out of wood eventually, but I wanted to see if I would be comfortable with it first and it wasn't going to be too in the way, and that I would actually use it and how I would use it and would it be convenient and this and that. And guys, I can't tell you how much I love this. It has a pantry for my food, and it also has all of my spa items in the back of it, back here, which I can easily access when I open the door. So this has been a lifesaver. I have freed up all this space under my bed. Okay, so now my food and all that's up here. The only thing I have to store now under my bed is basically my clothing. My pots and pans are in the back. Okay, so here's what I got. I have some things in it just so you can see what it looks like with stuff in it. But it's basically this, has rollers on it, it's metal. And I think it's, what are the dimensions? I can't remember. I think it's about 17 inches deep and about 13 inches wide is about right. And it's made of metal and it collapses. The one is going to be for my clothing bags. I'm just going to stick those under there and, you know, leave them open and kind of just to keep them clean. I'm going to leave them in the clothing bags, but that'll be in one of them, which I'll probably even have room for like coats and jackets because I don't take that much clothes. Okay guys, these are the baskets that I'm talking about. So here's my bed, and underneath my bed I got these baskets. Now right now I just have stuff that I just stuck in here for when I came out to do my video, but this is how big it is, and it's metal and it just rolls. And I'm going to put my clothing in the one. I'm going to leave my clothing in the clothing bags and just stick them in there. And the other one is going to be for like whatever, like wipies, you know, just like paper towels, toilet paper, wipes, things I need to grab quickly. And back here, I still have this bigger thing. And I put my appliances in there that I'm carrying, like my Instant Pot, because all my dishes are in the back. And then here's my toilet. And this is my other basket right here. It's my catch-all basket, my coffee pot, which I plug in every morning. And my toilet's right here, and it acts as a bedside table. Then, of course, I have my handy cabinet that I just built, which gave me the ability to get these, which I absolutely love. They were $27.95 for two, and I'll put the link below. And they're from Amazon. Yeah, I really dig them. I think they're great because you can reach right in. You can see what you have. They roll out just like that. They roll back real easy. And look how much room I still have above them that I could even put things on top of these baskets. Yeah, my reflectics are all back there. Yeah, so this is all because of this cute little pantry that I built. Hope you like them, guys. So yeah, I got two of those additions to the van, getting her ready for my trip. I'm taking a trip. I haven't scheduled it yet, but I'm looking at my calendar now. I have to do some open houses this coming weekend, but the following weekend, I'm going to look at the weather and see if I could take off during the week, because that's less crowded when you go during the week. So I'm going to check out a couple of the state parks close by and see which one I can book. And then I'm going to go. And I'm going to probably go for about 4 nights like I usually do and come back home and just enjoy some time in nature. That's my plan. I hope you guys can go with me. But sorry I haven't talked to you for a while. Oh, and the other thing I want to mention is my headliner was starting to come down a little bit. So I got these, I'll read it to you. They're by Dorman, and they're called headliner retainers. And they're little black. It's like a little screw almost. And you just take it and you put it up into the headliner, and it keeps it from falling down. This was like $6.50, and you get 8 of them in a container. But I have them, I've used them before, but I just ordered 2 packs of these, so I had a few parts of my headliner coming down. But these work amazing. You don't need to use anything else. These are awesome. I don't know if they come in other colors. I only saw black, but I'm so glad you could tune in for a little while, guys. I'm sorry I've been missing in action for a while, but getting the house here ready for summer. I'm so excited. What I really like about having a sticks and bricks, guys, is getting ready for spring. You know, getting your pots, you know, designing where you want to put your pots for the summer, your ceramic pots, color and design, and just sitting in the yard and thinking about all that. It, to me, is creativity. It stimulates your creativity. I get to go and pick out the flowers I want at Lowe's for the spring that I want to put in my pots. We don't do that till after Mother's Day down here at the beach, because you could still get cold weather possibly, who knows. So I enjoy that. And that's part of what I've been doing for the last 30 days that I haven't done any videos. I've been getting my house power washed. I got to do some minor maintenance, painting around the trim and things like that. Getting all my pots where I want them, so that when I do go for my flowers, I'll have them right where I want them. Getting windows washed, you know, getting the house ready for summer. So that's what I've been doing. And yeah, when you have a home, that is the bad downfall of it. You do have to maintain the house and do all that kind of stuff. But the beauty of it is the creativity side, where you can actually work on your garden. You can plant some vegetables. You can, you know, enjoy your yard after you've done all this beautiful work to it. Have friends over on your patio and sit around the fire and talk about life and love. And, you know, to me, a home is more than just a home. It's a place of gathering, family together. When you're living in a nomadic situation, yes, you can go and meet up with people and do that kind of thing, but there's just something about entertaining at home and making a meal for people and sitting them down in your home. And when you're living in a car or a vehicle, you can't do any of that stuff. Yeah, you can get up and you can go to the gym, and you can go to the local diner and have breakfast, and go to the park and walk around for a little while. But what do you do when you go back to your van? You know, can you go out in the backyard and of your van and sit and enjoy nature and watch the birds eat from the feeders? And no, you can't do any of that. So people can say anything they want about nomadic living. It's no picnic. It's a struggle. It's not as easy as living in a home. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's been a while for me since I've done one, and I feel kind of out of date with doing videos. I wanted to give you an update on what's happening. Hang in there, guys. Summer's on its way. I love you guys. Have a great week. Bye-bye.